Greetings. My name is the UnRAVeledGamer. Back again with yet a second workshop video. This time, this is a chronologically ordered lesson on how steam locomotives work. Before you even get on the train, you would need to wash the pistons, cylinders, coupling rod, the links that driving wheels has, and the connecting rod, the link that transfers piston movement into what is called the cylinder. After that, you would need to refill the tender with water and the combustion material, usually coal. If you are the driver, you would need to enter the cab through the backward position, put the engine in full forward gear, then blow the breaker, check if the signal is ready to go, blow the whistle through either the chain or the whistle lever, pull the regulator down gently. After you do that, then the train will start to move. During that time, for the driver, you would need to reduce the steam going through the cylinder by cutting the valve down a bit. For the fireman, you would need to take the coal using a shovel and throw it carefully and briskly into the firebox. There is the firebox grate that allows the engine to let the steam from the water and coal go into the main steam pipe and go out through the chimney, but the water goes into the cylinder so it can do what is called steam propulsion. You can whistle here and there for the driver, but you need to whistle mostly for a warning. For the fireman, you would need to shovel for dear life, so you can't stop shoveling at any given time until the train has stopped. Well, that is all for now. I hope that you have a great day.